Hello, this is Kevin Benedict, SMAC Analyst with Cognizant. SMAC's the acronym for Social, Mobile, Analytics, and Cloud. And we're back for part two, Dave. This is Dave Edeal. He's the partner manager for DSI Global. And you guys have been around for like 30 years. You've been embedded in industrial use cases forever. And you're on Gartner's Magic Quadrant for Mobile Application Development Platform again this year. So let me ask you, Dave, I read a lot of advertising and promotional material on mobility vendors. And a lot of it is emphasizing, 10 minutes and you're done. And it's quick to build, quick to deploy, it's so easy anybody can do it. Now, in my experience, over many years and over 200 mobility projects myself that I've worked on, some of those projects aren't easy. Some of those projects take incredible amount that are incredibly complex even. What do you see out there? And I mean, you guys have a lot of experience in heavy use.
Yeah, that's correct, Kevin.
Can you run me through a scenario where there really is a lot of complexity to a mobile project?
Sure. We get involved in a lot of what you call industrial solutions, and it might be in the area of a field service or a field sales or a proof of delivery type of solution for a customer. There's a lot of variables that make one company's solution requirements different than another solution. Some of those might be the way, in a sales example, might be how we do pricing. There are a lot of different options on how that could fit, and one solution does not fit all. So there always is a lot of discussion and dialogue around how does a person that's on the mobile app do pricing for a particular customer. And obviously customers are unique in that area as well. When you start talking about how to handle returns or a warranty on a product, all those kind of start adding up, and a 10-minute installation of a vanilla app in a lot of cases are not going to handle the complexities that a company needs to have.
So is that a back-end complexity that then needs to be reflected out on a mobile device? How does that work?
And a lot of times it is, especially if you're talking about the need to have some disconnected functionality away from the network and away from that back-end solution.
Oh, so you can't depend on the computing power of the back-end system if you're offline.
A lot of times you can, and a lot of times you can't. Again, more complexity to think about, architect in the solution, and you need to have a robust platform to be able to support all those different scenarios.
So how do you actually document those kinds of complexities so that you can deliver in a mobile app if you guys are doing the services?
Yeah, it's all about our methodology and how we do our implementations. We start with a design phase, and then we start design, plan, and then after we do the plan, then we do the implementation of the solution. So a lot of work goes into that design and plan stage before we even install the software.
So are you guys an agile house, or how do you actually deliver and develop these things?
Yeah, we have very agile type development methodology and services methodology along that path. It's whatever's best for the client. We have a very robust services organization and can deliver to deadlines as the project needs to dictate.
So they're not all mobile apps are just simple approval processes.
You're correct. You're correct. Not everything fits into a nice tidy box where a 10-minute installation will suffice in most cases.
Great. Dave, thank you so much for sharing your experiences with us.
Thank you.